Welcome back, everyone. Today we will be making a mushroom dish. For those who loves mushroom, this is a very quick, simple, easy to make dish. These are the ingredients that you're gonna need. Very simple, right? Okay, so first, let's give these mushrooms a good rinse by washing them. As you can see, I have about 3 or 4 variety of mushrooms here. I have the what you call Enoki mushroom, which is like a straw mushroom, like this one, and this I'm holding in my hand right now. And what you're gonna do with this one is you're just gonna cut the edge piece off at the end. And then using your hand, gently break it because they do come apart easily. You want to break it into a bite size, not too thick, not too thin. Just enough, and easy for you to scoop and eat. So with this, I'm continuing to cut another type of mushroom. I have a Maitake. 1 pack of that, and I also have Bunashimeji. It's Japanese name. Again, for all mushrooms, you want to just cut the end tips off. That way you can break it with your hand or cut it. They do come apart very easily. They're quite fragile and delicate. So try not to be too rough on the mushroom, huh? Okay. Alright, as I'm about to finish that, I'm gonna move forward with the next type of mushroom. Okay, I have here Shiitake. It looks like Portobello mushroom, but it's not. And this is quite a large type of Shiitake mushroom, so I'm gonna cut them into bite size. Mushroom tends to release water when it's cooked and it shrinks a little in size, so keep that in mind when you cut them. Okay, so here you want to chop your spring onions into about 1 inch to 1.5 inches in length and just put it aside. I just decided to use 1 dish, make it very simple. So all my mushroom will be in 1 dish, and I'm just gonna add and top this spring onion in the center like this. That way when you stir fry, all your ingredients there. It's very simple. 2, 3, 4, types of mushrooms. Okay. Next I'm gonna cut the spams. I will only need half of the spam because spam tends to be quite salty, so you don't need too much. Just slice them about 1/2 inch and then turn them around in a different opposite angle, and then just cut them the way I do here, which is perfectly bite size for stir fry. So now I'm just gonna crush a little bit of the garlic to get ready for the stir fry. You can't stir fry without garlic, seriously. I mean, garlic is just so amazingly good. It smells so aromatic and it just makes your food taste better and smells better. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it into the same bowl here with the spam. No need to have all the excess bowl. Oh, by the way, this is cornstarch, so you need about 1 teaspoon of that, diluted with water later. Now let's cook. Okay, so back to the oil. Add oil to heat up the wok. Toss in the spam first to sear the spam till it's golden brown. Then you want to add the garlics in. The mashed aromatic garlic. I love the smell. Okay, then you're gonna toss in the shiitake mushroom. Now, the way I add the mushrooms in varies on the type of mushroom and the time it's gonna take to cook the mushroom. That's the reason why the shiitake mushroom goes in first, followed by the Maitake, and of course the Enoki mushroom as well, known as the straw mushroom. Basically, all your mushrooms go in, stir a little bit, and cover with lid. Okay, so remove the lid and go ahead and add your seasoning, which is salt and pepper. I, again, love fresh crushed peppers. It's very aromatic when you crush it. Once you're done with your salt and pepper, go ahead and add the cornstarch in. Now remember I said earlier to dilute that with water, and that's what I did. Okay, so, and if you feel that it's slightly thick or too thick, just add a little bit more water to it. Okay, no biggie. Okay, once that's in, tossed in the green onions. At this point, you're pretty much ready. Just last minute touch, drizzle a little bit of the sesame oil and turn off the heat. This is what the dish is going to look like, and you're ready to serve this with white rice.